Hello friends, welcome to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel. I am CMA Akula Sridhar. Friends, in this channel we are trying to bring to you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain every week. So please like, share and subscribe, and let's begin. So friends, the first recruitment is from Bihar Public Service Commission for the recruitment of 138 vacancies of Assistant Audit Officer. Friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation in commerce or economics or statistics or mathematics, or even a chartered accountant or cost and management accountant, or even an MBA finance is also eligible to apply. Friends, the upper limit is 37 years, all are permanent posts, and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 8.5 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 15th May 2021. So friends, before we proceed to the next vacancy, I just wanted to share that Finance MCQ has launched 2 new practice courses for recruitment at Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and its group of companies. So friends, recently these organizations have come up with recruitment of 280 vacancies of junior accountant and 11 vacancies of accounts officer. So friends, to practice the course, please visit financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus, which includes subjects such as corporate accounting, cost accounting, auditing, management accounting, taxation, law, etc., covering 60% of your total syllabus, is brought to you in MCQ format for you to practice. Friends, here the explanation is also added for correct answers wherever required for conceptual clarity. Friends, there is a 24/7 email support for clarification of doubts raised by candidates during the practice of these contents. And friends, let me tell you, the entire content of financemcq.in is prepared by professionals such as chartered accountant or cost and management accountant. And friends, when you log into financemcq.in and take a demo, you will realize that the system is designed in such a way to give the candidates a real exam-like environment. So friends, do visit financemcq.in and practice for your exam well. All the best. Moving on, next vacancy is from IIT Roorkee for the recruitment of 31 posts of junior superintendent. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is master's degree or bachelor's degree. Friends, the upper limit is 32 years, all are permanent posts, and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 6.80 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 11th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 39 posts of junior assistant, again at Roorkee. Friends, here the education qualification asked is only a bachelor's degree. Friends, the age limit is 27 years, all are permanent posts, and in this case even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 4.40 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 11th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Pune, which is established by Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 posts of contractual multi-skilled assistant. Friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in any discipline. Friends, the upper age limit is 28 years, and you need to have 1 year of experience to apply for this vacancy, and you will get a per month consultant amount of 17,510. And to apply for this vacancy, you have to mail your resume at bio_app@icerpune@ac.in latest by 27th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from National Power Training Institute, which is under Ministry of Power, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for finance head. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation in commerce with knowledge of public financial management system. Friends, they have not mentioned any upper age limit, but it's a 1 vacancy contractual post at Durgapur. Friends, the experience requirement is between 2 to 3 years. And friends, you will get a per month consultant amount as per your qualification and experience. To apply for this vacancy, you will have to attend a walk-in on 19th April 2021 at Durgapur. Moving on, next vacancy is from IIT Jodhpur for the recruitment of 15 posts of junior assistant. Friends, the education qualification asked here is bachelor's degree in any discipline. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years, these are permanent posts, and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package for this post would be 4.40 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 11th May 2021. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box below, so those who wanted to apply can directly click there and apply for their desired vacancies. Moving on, next vacancy is from Bihar Urban Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited for the recruitment of chartered accountant for the post of general manager finance. Friends, the age limit is 50 years. It's a 1 vacancy post at Bihar, again a contractual post here, friends, and you need to have 10 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, you will get a per month consultant amount of 70,000 rupees. To apply for this vacancy, you have to apply offline to the organization latest by 10th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Municipal Corporation, Chandigarh. Friends, here the recruitment is for 41 vacancies of clerk. Friends, the educational qualification asked is bachelor's degree from a recognized university with a typing speed of 35 words per minute in English. Friends, the upper limit is 37 years. Friends, here the nature of employment is initially on temporary basis, which is likely to be regularized in the municipal corporation. And friends, here even freshers are also eligible to apply. There will be a 5 lakhs gross per annum package, and you have to apply online latest by 3rd May 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Municipal Corporation of Chandigarh. Friends, here the recruitment is for 2 posts of accountant. Friends, here the qualification asked is BCom from a recognized university with 1 year tally certificate, and preference will be given to the Inter, CA, CMA or CS. Friends, here again the nature of employment will be initially on temporary basis, which will be likely to be regularized in the municipal corporation later. Friends, the experience again is for freshers also, and you will get a 6.80 lakhs per annum package. Friends, the mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Friends, moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 6 posts of sub-inspector enforcement again at Chandigarh. Friends, here the additional qualification asked is graduation from a recognized university, and preference will be given to a law graduate. Friends, the upper limit is 37 years. Here again the nature of employment, experience, package and mode of application last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Moving on, next vacancy is from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University for the recruitment of 1 post of Controller of Finance at Delhi. Friends, here the additional qualification asked is master's degree with at least 55%. Friends, it's a 10-year post and the upper limit is 56 years. And as far as experience is considered, you need to have 15 years of experience in academic level as assistant professor, or 8 years of experience in academic level 12 at associate professor, or even 15 years of experience in admin, or 15 years of experience in Indian audit and account service cadre is also eligible for this vacancy. When the package would be 26.85 lakhs gross, you have to apply online latest by 1st May 2021. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of senior assistant finance and accounts. Friends, here the additional qualification asked is any graduate or postgraduate in commerce or a BBA or MBA finance with minimum 50% marks. And friends, even a graduate or postgraduate with CA Inter or CMA Inter with at least 50% marks is also eligible to apply. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. It's a 5 vacancy post and all are permanent post. But here friends, you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. When the package would be 6.80 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 1st May 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization. Here the recruitment is for 7 posts of junior assistant. Friends, here the additional qualification asked is 10+2 or equivalent with typing speed of 35 words per minute English or 30 words per minute in Hindi. Friends, here the upper limit is 27 years. It's a permanent post and even freshers are also eligible to apply. The package would be 4 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 1st May 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Broadcast Engineering Consultant India Limited, which is a Mini Ratna company under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for 300 posts of investigator or 50 posts of supervisor on all India transfer basis. And friends, as far as education qualification is considered, you should be having a bachelor's degree from a recognized university to apply for this vacancy. Friends, here the upper limit is for investigator is 45 years, while for supervisor it is 50 years. Friends, here all the vacancies are contractual, and in case you want to apply for investigator, you don't need to have an experience, while to apply for supervisor, you need to have 2 years of relevant experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, you will get a per month concentrated amount of 24,000 rupees in case of investigator and 30,000 per month in case of applying to supervisor. Friends, and you have to apply online latest by 22nd April 2021. Moving on, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of upper divisional clerk. And friends, here the qualification asked is bachelor's degree from a recognized university. The upper limit is 45 years. It's a 4 vacancy post again on all India transfer basis. Friends, here again it's a contractual post. They have not specified the number of years of experience required, but they have specified that experience should be there in working of public financial management system or TA bills or recruitments or establishment work or store records, etc. And friends, here you will get a consultant amount of 20,000 per month. Friends, to apply for this vacancy, you have to apply online latest by 22nd April 2021. Friend, next vacancy is from GS Mahanagar Cooperative Bank Limited for the recruitment of 4 posts of Assistant General Manager. at Maharashtra. Friends, here the education qualification asked is either a BCom or a certified associate of Indian Institute of Banking or a chartered accountant or cost and management accountant or a company secretary or a certified financial analyst. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years, all a permanent post, and you would need to have 5 years of experience in banking industry to apply for this vacancy. And as far as package is considered, it will be at par with banking industry standards and negotiable depending upon your qualification and experience. And to apply for this vacancy, you have to email your resume at recruit2021@mahanagarbank.com latest by 30th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from International Institute of Population Sciences, which is a deemed university under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for one post of upper divisional clerk at Mumbai. Friends, here the educational qualification asked is graduation in any discipline, and the upper limit is 27 years. This is a permanent post, and even freshers are also eligible to apply. And the package would be 5 lakhs gross. You have to apply offline to the institute latest by 31st May 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, that is ISER Mohali. Friends, here the recruitment is for 4 posts of assistant registrar. Friends, the education qualification asked is master's degree in any discipline with 55% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years, it's a permanent post, and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. When the package would be 11 lakhs gross, you have to apply online latest by 3rd May 2021. Moving on, next vacancy is from Vikas Shohadr Cooperative Bank Limited for the recruitment of probationary officers. Friends, here the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline with minimum 50% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. They have not disclosed the number of vacancies, but the place of posting would be across Karnataka. Friends, it's a permanent post, and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. The package will be as per industry norms. To apply, you have to log into the bank's website and apply online latest by 23rd April 2021. So friends, that's all for this week. I hope the video was useful. Please forward the video to your near and dear ones whom you think these series of videos will be useful for their career. So see you all next week. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.